You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this brand name if you, after learning more and pronounce it correctly, all the luxury brands from France and Italy in perfumery? Make sure to stay tuned, alright? So in France, in French, it's said as Maison, which means house. Francis is how we say it in French. Kurkdjian is how we say it in French. Okay, so overall, Maison Francis Kurkdjian. Now, if you cannot pronounce French very well, you can say it as Maison Francis Kurkdjian. Maison Francis Kurkdjian. Or, in French, for better pronunciation, Maison Francis Kurkdjian. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.